Hello, this is Renata Stafford, and this is my website, renatacreates.com. My homepage, it kind of shows my website's purpose. Basically a hub to connect a lot of my other creative efforts, illustration, I sell t-shirts, digital music, etc. Scroll down, and it's just kind of shows I'm quirky, let's just say that. But I'll have galleries of digital art. I also make some digital music and do some illustrations on Fiverr. I'm trying to relaunch kind of a Teespring shop that sells goofy things on t-shirts. And I also build websites. This is my footer. This is my website. And I don't have the functionality yet. I need to add more pages, but galleries and stuff like that aren't there yet. But up here in my menu, we click on the blog. Excuse me. So this is the blog page of all the blog posts, of which I really only have one. So this is my one and only blog post. It's about some illustrations I did for a book that my parents wrote, but this just kind of goes through the illustration process, shows some sketches, yada, 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 things like that. And whenever I do a project like this is where those, like a process kind of thing will go. And I have a store, but I'm not so sure I want to keep a store on this particular website, but this is the kind of stuff that I would sell, like at Teespring, the t-shirts, and this would be like a cell phone, like a background or something, a wallpaper. This is actually one of the t-shirts that I used to sell. Oops. I actually have that on a t-shirt. It's fun. I like wearing it. But, so what I learned the biggest thing I learned was to plan ahead and make use of all the functionality, especially the duplicate functionality. When we learned how to make duplicate posts and pages and stuff, and that was cool, and I didn't really realize how useful it would be until I had to go back and change little nitpicky settings because I wanted things to look consistent and I hadn't planned ahead to have it look a certain way. So that's one thing important thing that I learned. And the most difficult thing I think was deciding which direction to take the website. I couldn't pick just one thing. I've got my hands in a lot of baskets. And also writing posts. If you read my posts, it's kind of snarky, and I get snarky when I'm having to do something I really don't want to do. So writing posts was a little tricky for me. It was fun having a chance to build a website using something I'd never used before, really. I hadn't really used WordPress to build a website. It was fun to see how it worked. I'm used to building them, hand coding, but it's kind of fun to figure out how it works and play with it. And that's it. Thank you for your time.